Hey, how's it going guys? Stefan is here, welcome back for another video. For today's video, I have a set of LED strip lights. The company is called Aveylum. So we'll check what comes in the box, then I'll show you how to switch the lights on. And with that being said, let's start with the video now. Okay, so let's see what comes in the box. Actually, I do like the box, pretty colorful, with this nice board here. So let's see what comes in the box now. Okay, so the first thing on the top is the AR receiver. So we have in total 12 meter of LED strip lights. As you can see here, if you want, you can use just 6 meters or you can use both 12 meters, but I'll show you in the video. And this is the AR receiver. So when you point the remote control, you have to point it here because otherwise it will not work. AR receiver, put it on the side. Also, we have the user manual with interesting information about the lights. Also, the lights comes with the digital app, which I'll show you in the video as well. Also, the lights comes with the remote control, which I will show you now, just to have idea. So as you can see, we have the remote control with all the RGB lights, normal colors, and also we have some options here for the brightness down, up, off, on, and some music modes and DIY options as well. I'll put it on the side. This is the 3-pin UK power adapter as well. Actually, we have a indication here when the lights are on, which this is pretty nice. I'll leave it on the side. Also, we have a 3M stickers, so you can put the lights wherever you feel. You can put it to any surface. Bear in mind the lights are only for indoor use, so they're not waterproof. So this is the 3M stickers as well. Put it on the side. And last but not least, we have the lights. So we have in total 12 meters, which I will show you here. So 12 meters in total, as you can see. This is the light, pretty straightforward, pretty nice. Let me show you the second one as well. Okay, so as you can see, 12 meter in total. Like I mentioned in the beginning, if you want to use just 6 meters, you can do so. If you want to use both, you can use both. So now let me show you quickly how to connect the lights, and then we'll turn the lights on. We'll see the lights as well. So this is the beginning of the lights, as you can see with the arrow here. Pretty simple. Make sure that both arrows are pointed the same way. So this is the way that you connect the lights. So yeah, let's turn the lights on and let's see how good is the lights. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do is to plug the AC power to the socket, and let's see if we can have any source of power here. So we'll see if the lights will work. So again, this is the beginning with the 4 pins here. So this is the first thing that you have to do, take the beginning, and then we'll see now if the lights are working. Again, the arrows needs to be pointed the same way. So let's see now. Okay, so the first strip lights is being connected. As you can see, if you like, you can use only the 6 meter. If this is 6 meter, if you need, you can use only the 6 meter. But if you want to use both, now I'll show you. Again, this is the beginning, this is the end. Arrow, arrow. And now, as you can see, the both strip lights are connected, which this is very interesting. So the lights are pretty nice. And now let's see quickly if the remote control, I'm gonna give you a little bit tour about the remote control. So we have the brightness down, up. Also we have the RGB colors. We have the red, green, blue. Also we have just normal colors, as you can see. And now let me point the remote control to the AR receiver. So let me press the blue. As you can see, the remote control works, and this is the RGB. Green works pretty good as well. Let me try the red. As you can see, the remote control works. Also, we have a DIY options here, some music modes. Bear in mind, when you play music, you have to play music only from the app, which I'll show you in a minute. But yeah, so far so good. I do like the colors. Okay, so to download the app, check the manual. There's a QR code. You need to scan it with your camera. And when you scan it, as you can see, this is the app. Is called Duco Strip. So let's download it together, and let's show you some of the settings with the app. So make sure your Bluetooth is on and your GPS as well. Okay, so let me show you now the app. And now, as you can see, you need to allow all the settings. So to make sure the app is connected, press here the three dots on the left. And here, the app should be connected. So I think it's connected. No, actually it's not. Yeah, so now it's connected. So as you can see, I can change the colors directly from the app, which this is pretty cool, I think, in my opinion. So let me show you some of the options about the app. So here down, we have different options. So we have a adjust, we have a style, we have a music, we have a mic, and shadow. So basically, let me show you. So when you want to adjust settings, so basically you can change the colors, you can use your different style, which is very good. As you can see, actually I do like the brightness. The lights looks pretty bright in my opinion. So let me show you now the second option. So we have a style. So on style, apologize about the camera, doesn't want to focus. So on the style, we have different colors and also the names of the colors. As you can see, this is quite interesting. And I can say that the lights are very bright in my opinion. So let me show you. This is pretty bright in my opinion. And yeah, in my opinion, the lights so far are very good. So let me show you the third option. So the third option is music. Bear in mind with the music, you need to play music only from your smartphone. So if you play random music, this will not work. So if you play music from the phone directly, the lights will follow the beat of the music. So let me stop this just for a second. Okay. So the music is pretty easy. Like I said, you have to play music from the smartphone. So we have a mic as well. So here, when I talk, as you can see, the lights changing colors, changing the beat, which is pretty good, pretty straightforward with that. Also, we have shadow, so you can shadow the lights to switch the lights on at a different time if you like so. So the app is pretty straightforward. Actually, I do like the layout, and as you can see, the app works pretty good. Okay, so let me show you now how to cut the lights. This is some of the connectors. So there's a L-shaped connector and a straight connector. I contacted the company. They said that they don't have any at the moment, but they will include soon in the package. So now let me show you how to cut the lights the right way. So as you can see, this is exactly the place that you can cut the lights. And now I'll show you. So just use any scissors and make sure it's straight. as you can see, this is the right way. And now I will show you how to connect them with the connector. I'm using the straight connector, but you can use the L-shaped connector. So just follow my steps, and now I'll show you how to do that. So just as you can see, apologize about the focusing. So just there's a place that the cut path goes in, as you can see, and then you close the door. Make sure it's closed properly, otherwise will go. The same with the other part as well. There's a place to go in. You'll feel it when you push the cut part and close the door. And now let me show you if the lights will work. So I'm gonna plug the lights on now. Again, use the arrows straight. Make sure this is the right way. And as you can see, we can use 12 meter just in one strip. So this is pretty good in my opinion. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video. So this was the unboxing and review about these lights. The company sent me these lights for review, so they contacted me a couple of days ago. What I'm thinking about the lights, yeah, I think they're very good. They're quite bright actually. Also comes with a digital app, remote control, pretty easy to use. Yeah, definitely good lights. Plus the price is pretty affordable, about 25 British pounds, about 30 USA dollars, which is not bad in my opinion. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, like it, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video.